I have this beautiful tea that I grow in my garden. It's echinacea and lemon balm and mint and yarrow and I don't know, probably something else, I can't remember. I want to make tea bags from this coffee filter. Let me show you how. This way you can make your tea to your desired thickness. I like a lot of herbal tea in my tea bag, so I stuff it. You will need scissors, round coffee filter, and a stapler. Fold it in half. I'm just cutting off about 1 inch off the top. Just 1 inch from the center portion. And now I'm going to open it. You can, if you really like yours folded at the bottom, you can open each of the sides and stuff it, but the easiest way to do it is just to lay it flat. And just aim for not down the center with your tea. And put 2 scoops of tea. And just fold it over. See how I've got a space here? Fold it down once and fold it down twice, the long ways. And now with my finger just pressed in the center, I'll just pull up both sides. Take your top. If you even them up, you'll get the best results. Fold it over once and then fold it again. That's one way. Another way, if you want to make it look more like a tea bag, like a regular tea bag, fold it down with a little dog ear. Make another dog ear. And then you can fold the point down and fold it one more time down. Any way you do this is probably fine. There you go. You could put a string and make a little custom label for it if you want, or you can just staple it.